Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you an easy designer-inspired DIY using inexpensive items, most of which came from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with 4 packs of these Dollar Tree wood planks. The first thing I did was use craft sticks and hot glue to attach 3 of the wood planks together. I've only seen these 7.5-inch wood planks at one of my Dollar Trees, so if you're unable to find them, you can always get wood cut at your local hardware store. Next, I attached 6 more of the wood planks along the side of my first piece. I did not measure the distance between each of the wood planks. I just eyeballed it, but if you decide to replicate this project, it's a good idea to measure to ensure that each of the planks is properly spaced. I then attached 3 more of the wood planks together and used hot glue to add that piece to my design as well. Next, you guessed it, more of the wood planks on top. I then used a Dollar Tree sanding sponge and my X-Acto knife to remove the excess hot glue and to lightly sand my design as smooth as possible. If you have followed me for a while, then you know that I always use a warm hair dryer to help melt away the glue strings on most of my hot glue projects. I then added 3 coats of white acrylic paint. The Dollar Tree does sell white paint, but I usually pay a few cents more to pick a better quality paint up from my local craft store. Once my paint was completely dry, I hot glued chopping mats to the inside of my design. I purchased these chopping mats from Amazon on sale, but of course the Dollar Tree does sell plastic chopping mats. You'll only need 1 pack of the chopping mats from the Dollar Tree for this project. To hot glue the chopping mat to the wood planks, I'm simply adding a line of hot glue to the wood plank before pressing the chopping mat down onto the hot glue. I then added a second line of hot glue to the edge of the chopping mat. And as you can see, I'm turning my wood planks to the opposite side and hot gluing down the other end of the chopping mat. I painted 2 additional wood planks for the top and bottom of my floor lamp. The Dollar Tree sells tons of stickers that you can use to decorate your floor lamps, including these really pretty pop-up butterfly stickers that would be perfect for spring. You could also use some of these gemstone stickers or some gold paper flowers. The possibilities are endless. But for now, I've decided to keep my floor lamps as is. I'm using this color changing portable light bulb as my lighting source. Of course, the Dollar Tree sells push lights, but instead of turning the light on and off manually, I prefer to use this color changing light that has a remote control and a timer. The light bulb can be attached to the top wood plank or placed on the side. And here's the finished look. I made a second floor lamp slightly taller and in the color black, using that same technique as well. I think that these inexpensive modern floor lamps turned out beautiful and would be perfect for a covered patio or deck. I'm also working on a slightly more expensive version of this lamp that closely resembles the inspiration photo. So be sure to subscribe and come back to see more. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.